lesson is about solving equations using the quadratic formula. What you need to know before the quadratic formula is what perfect squares are. So you should have a sheet of paper and you need to fill in the blanks. You can get that from a friend or you can get the key. Perfect squares are numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, all the way down. So in other words, a number times itself, that answer is a perfect square. That is important because we need to find the perfect square sometimes to get factors. What I mean by that is you also have this sheet of paper, and you are to simplify. And you need to understand this because when you use quadratic formula. If I'm simplifying the square root of 96, I am looking for two factors that go into 96 evenly. So what I also need to know, sorry, I was doing the computation, is I have to use a perfect square. Remember, perfect squares are number like 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. So I'm trying to find the largest perfect square that goes into 96. I have to have one of the factors be from this perfect square list. Has to be. So if I'm looking at 96, I know 81 doesn't go into it, or 49, 36 doesn't. So I'm going to find out that 16 times 6 equals 96. The reason you did that, or we did that, is because we want to factor out the square root of 16. And also on your paper is the cheat sheet, but the square root of 16 is 4, and I'm left with a radical 6. So to simplify radical 96, it goes to 4 radical 6. 72 would be an example as well. So I need to have two factors that would simplify. One of those factors has to be a perfect square. And if I don't know what it is, I'm going to start with the largest one that would make sense to me. So 72, let's see, 49, does that go into it evenly? It does not. So I would try the next one, 6, 36. So 36 and 2, I can see that that's an even, goes in evenly. So I would put 36 here and 2 here. The reason being is because 36 reduces to 6, and I have a radical 2. So this is part 1 of understanding the quadratic formula.